Hello, I'm Justin Deering. I'm the founder of the Deering Clinic, and from the moment you walk in the door, your journey to health and healing will begin. As an integrated medical clinic, our approach to care is unlike any other. Having medical providers, chiropractors, and exercise physiologists on staff, our team can treat your whole body by offering multiple therapies under one roof. Everything from medical-grade hyperbaric oxygen therapy to IV therapy with therapeutic doses to expert chiropractic and rehabilitation strategies. These are just a few treatments we use to restore the connection between your brain and your body. The treatments complement one another to optimize your health. At the Deering Clinic, we'll get to know you as a person. We will gain an understanding of your unique condition during your consultation and examination. Then, our multidisciplinary team will formulate a treatment strategy specifically for you. We will ensure you are educated on the root cause of your condition and the steps needed to facilitate improvement in your quality of life. You'll leave your first appointment feeling empowered and confident in the next steps towards a better, symptom-free life.